Buongiorno, Sully again. Here are a little more travel tips. Another big question I get a lot is power adapters versus power converters. You're like, wait a minute. Well, a converter changes 220 power, which is what is in most of the world, down to 110, which is what most of our appliances and things that we plug in are. Because we use 110 in the States, so you use 220. So you have to convert it down. You have to dummy it down in order to fry your stuff. One of the most common errors is like curling irons, straighteners, that kind of thing. Don't plug those things in. You need to buy European ones if you're going to do that, if that's really important. I've had people do that. I don't know that that's that important. Most of our hotels will have hair dryers. They won't be great hair dryers, but you at least get your hair dried and you can roll on. You don't need a straightener. You don't need a curling iron. You can do that, but it's risky. This is a converter. Converters actually change the power down to, and there's all different kinds. You can find them on Amazon, Target has them, Walmart even. It gets the power down to 110 by converting it. It actually restricts the power. And it also has it. This is an adapter one that has different countries, all right? And it'll plug in to the States, Australia, Europe, UK, that kind of thing. And you can set the settings on it. But again, these are more expensive. They're just going to cost you 30, 35, 50, 60 bucks, depending on what kind you get. But that's a converter. Now, here's the tip. If all you're doing is going to charge your phone and you're not hauling something you got to plug in to charge. Now, most laptops, and you're not going to need your laptop on a Europe trip, but most laptops, actually their battery pack will convert power as long as you have an adapter, but you need to read specifically on your battery pack and your laptop, your electronics. Now, but if all you're charging is your phone, then all you need in most of Europe is one of these. It's an adapter. You can buy a 3-pack. I have several of them sitting right here. You can buy a 3-pack of these, or you can get a couple of them for just less than 10 bucks. I mean, one, even at the airport, is going to cost you 6 or 7 at the airport. But you can get them at Walmart, Target, and it's just a little 2-prong thing for most of Europe. And then if all you're charging is your phone, make sure you have a cube. If it's an Apple, if it's an iPhone, make sure it's a good cube, not an off-brand one. And then just a cord, and look, it just plugs in, and you plug it into the wall. Because phone charging cubes, like iPhones, and then Samsung, like the Galaxy, like their little boxes, are 220 rated. They're world rated because it's world companies, and they know that. That's all you need to charge your phone. You'll have to have the adapter that doesn't cost much, and then make sure you take your cube and, of course, your cord. And you can charge them on planes and stuff like that, too. And so you'll find that's all you need. You don't need to go buy one of these if all you're charging is your phone. Now, we're not going to the UK. The UK's look like this. It's a big 3-prong thing, but it's the same deal. Plug your phone in it. Right there it is. So if you go to London, if you're in the UK, that's what that would look like. But most of Europe, it's just this 2 little straight prong because their little plug-ins don't look the same as ours. And so I get that question a lot. Don't buy a big converter if all you need is the adapter. Take your phone cube, and that's good. So remember, till next time, bizarre travel plans are dancing lessons from God. So have fun traveling the world.